World was fun. We're going on Big Thunder. This is fast pass time again. So we're gonna go on Big Thunder. I think it actually hasn't broken down, so there's a massive queue. And there's no, I think, you know what? I think it's at a moment, but there are fast passes for later on. Should we scan? There's fast passes at 10 o'clock. Should we get some? Okay, so we're gonna get more fast passes. Yeah, Big Thunder's off at the moment. Great. So we can ask someone like what's gonna happen with our fast pass. But we're gonna get more fast passes anyway, and go from there. So let's get some more fast passes, and then we can find out what's going on, and just go from there. So I love this ride. Do I have a problem? Do I have a problem? Probably. Yes, yes, you do have a problem.
Right, you can't see me again.
Everything here shut.
I know, but I mean out on the front, Main Street. But that was the most funnest ride of Big Thunder we've ever been on. Like, if I can do the Big Thunder first. Yeah, we'll get our cakes first. It was absolutely mad. It was literally the party train. We got a few fireworks, which is cool. But it was literally the party train and it was fabulous. Now we're gonna go shopping and get some of the cakes. My phone is about to die, so I probably should put it on the charger, but I might just wait. Yeah, so good night Frontierland. You can't really see anything because I'm very blurred again, Thea.
From Ghost of the Phantom Manor. It's dark, they've come out to play.
I'm so sorry, I'm probably blurred. But yes, so that's it from Frontierland. That's us in Disney
and
today.
It's raining again.
It's raining again.
But hot.
Illuminations is on through there.
Yeah, so that's it from us today. It's been probably one of the best days ever, apart from the starting parade. We won't talk about that. So we'll see you tomorrow for our final day. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir. Au revoir.